have good judgment, I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way. I promise them that you're different, and everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. Oh, I'm asking, baby. Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. And please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so night. Or I have a fun idea, babe, maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, the ceiling fan is so nice, and we could live so happily if no one knows that you're with me. I'm just kidding. Really, really, really. If you don't wanna cry to my music, don't make me hate you prolifically. Please, please, please.